Because let me say, I'm not shit on myself. Now you do me makeup. Now you do me makeup. Now I talk to your mother. Now your mother do me makeup. Now you do makeup. Not a shout for me. Not a shout for me. I ain't hear you. Not a shout for me. You want to makeup? I swear to God.
Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me, your favorite Mary J Black. I Miss Muhammad in the building, babies. So guys, on today's topic, guys, this content is gonna be what? It's gonna be what? It's gonna be light. A lot of you guys complain on my previous video like Mary J Black, you need to let Miss Muhammad go back to this very worst reviewed makeup artist for our revenge. And you know what? I got you. You know what? We got you right here. Miss Muhammad, your favorite baby girl, aka Kaskia Anobepe, will be the one to feature this very worst reviewed makeup artist from the root, because she's very rude. From the root worst reviewed makeup artist. Guys, if you've not watched the content I had of what's makeup on from this very worst reviewed makeup artist, and as far as I'm concerned, she duped me. That's just the truth. She duped me because I went there for a GOTH look and
she said she can recreate it, and at the end of the day, she didn't do something close to that. She messed up with Mary J Black's face.
And you all know your favorite baby girl right here. I don't like fight and stuff. I don't like too much drama. Miss Mama, she's a drama queen, so I don't like too much drama like that. I couldn't stand for myself and stuff like that, so she ended up getting 5,000 naira from me, which a lot of you all were so upset about it, were so hot, and a lot of you all suggested that Miss Muhammad right here should please revisit this very worst reviewed makeup artist for our revenge. And you know what? That's exactly what we'll be doing today. So you all should please stay tuned. If you've not watched that very video, I'll be dropping the link of that very video down my description box so you all can take a look at it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Let it go viral, guys, and don't forget to show baby girls some love. It's still your favorite Mary J Black. And Miss Muhammad in the building, babies.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Because of this thing, you come and
who be thing?
Waiting you can't do for my shop.
Me, I no be thing. If you want to address me as woman being. I no be thing.
You don't stay for my shop. Waiting you can't do for my shop.
Me, I can't do makeup now. I feel say the other day the makeup will give you maybe hard.
I do makeup when no find the other time. You can't come again. I say waiting happen. They go.
No, that one I think I go to makeup. This one a woman be makeup. Now I say ma I come make you do one for me.
I don't want to wahala. I no fit do one.
You no fit do one. Why you no fit do one?
I no fit do one because your wahala too much.
Which wahala I get? I don't understand say I get wahala. You dey tell her say she no vex. Be as if I get wahala. Which wahala I get?
That's so she go dey talk. The other time where your sister do makeup, now you they talk as if now you do now you are do makeup.
She no fit talk. I dey try correct.
I no fit do am.
I no vex. How much you go do the makeup?
This time I don't want wahala. If you want do makeup, let me see the makeup where you want to do first.
You not go give me condition because now my money I dey pay. If you know they do the right thing, me I go talk. Because you know they do makeup for me for free.
You dey help beg now.
Now the truth be that.
She dey talk.
Not be free. She dey do me makeup. If she do anything no good, I go get. I get mouth to talk. See the makeup.
I fit do am. I fit do the makeup.
This makeup.
I fit do am.
How much? Cause this one no be GOTH.
Make her think am well.
Think am.
I go collect 8,000.
820.
8,000.
I don't pay 8,000 for this makeup. Waiting, don't be popular shadow. I'll take pay 8,000. No vex on
why you no do it for yourself?
I don't like to do it. I just like. I want to be pampered. I want to be pampered. That's why I choose to come here. You understand? I want visit makeup. Yes, pampered. So that if you are doing the makeup, I will feel you now. You know go pamper me.
Me, you say waiting.
Say I be your customer.
Last time when you come here, now abuse me, go.
So you get me for mine. How many days why I don't come do this? You still get me for mine.
I talk, make we go straight.
How much you go do the makeup last?
Pay 5,000.
I go pay 4,000.
I don't feel connected. I beg take your phone.
8,000 last.
She said I pay 5,000.
Can we come inside?
No, you don't have light.
Now every day I know they get light.
Every day I know they get light. Me I like to do makeup for outside. People go they pass, go they look person. Ask never. So no be your state today. Me no be my state. I me I don't like to do makeup for outside. People go they look person. Person will can't look like stupid person. Ma, I give you the phone, you hold on. Because last time I saw you take old phone. Auntie, try get this makeup.
I will try.
Because I know when the problem with me and you get the other, they may repeat himself.
As they talk, self, the makeup no be fine.
Ma, keep quiet. Auntie, you sure say you dey look this makeup?
I dey look am now, na so I dey do.
The way you dey apply this, no be like that he apply him own.
Na wetin I see for picture. I dey do.
No be wetin you see for picture, no be like that him
Na
own picture
wetin I
dey.
see for picture.
His own color dey, it came out very well. Look at the way you are applying this thing and look at the way he did his own. It's not the same.
It's the same, madam. Make I finish am. Na so you do the other time.
That's why I do it. Wetin I do the other time.
Abeg, no talk again. Make this makeup come out. If you dey talk, e no go fine. See.
This is no resemble wetin dey in full of my phone. See wetin I dey show you. Be like say my eye dey pain me. See wetin I show you. No be like this him do him own. Him do him own, he get crease. He come out like this. You your own no dey come out. Na wetin kind problem be that? That day goat makeup, you know, sabi woman be own nko. Ah. And you hold phone since.
I dey do am. Don't worry. I never finish am.
I don't say you don't finish am, but the way you dey do the makeup, me I'm not impressed. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's not how he did his own makeup. The purple came out very well. It's the purple that is the main makeup.
I go add purple.
Don't be say you go add purple. You have to be creative when applying the purple eyeshadow. Because that's not how he applied it. He did not apply it anyhow.
The makeup, I should not get it. But it's not just the same with the picture.
This
the
time I don't want
to
wahala. You see say I no talk too much. I don't want shout. I beg.
It's not the same. It's not the same.
I never finish this thing where you dey talk say you no be the same.
Finish.
I never finish am. Na purple.
Let me say na purple. Na crease with purple.
I don dey remove the crease. E go come out now.
Wow. I don't like this thing you do for my face. To be honest, I'm not impressed.
I never put powder now. See the purple, e don dey come out.
This purple no dey come out. This purple no dey come out. See as you do my face, this thing no dey come out.
Small. Ah, make I add purple. Na purple makeup we dey do. See this one. E don come out.
Wetin come out?
The makeup.
Nothing come out for this makeup. Me, I just dey tell you, if you no get this makeup, nothing go make me pay. The other day you say I give you 5,000 for free. Nothing go make me pay. I dey tell you my honest truth. Shit, you know.
Don't worry, I will do it well. Wow. This makeup don't come out.
Allow me, ma talk say you don't come and now you they do the makeup. Now me then they do makeup. Now me then they do makeup. I don't see and well. That means you don't do the right thing. Now if you do the right thing, I go see and well now. It be wow. Not they shout wow.
Wow.
The way they shout wow, they vex me. To be honest, they vex me. This thing you know they get it. Yeah?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I tell you say you know they get this thing correctly. You know one listening to me.
And they get them, madam.
How you take they get them?
Never finish them.
Be careful with my eye.
Ah, madam. Hey, if you not talk now, wow.
So the way you dey apply like say you still get me for mind based on that wetin happen the other day and I can't say I don't pay your money. So wetin bring all this enmity come now?
If I do the makeup then I don't tell you that I don't want wahala. Please, I don't want any problem, please. I don't want problem. I beg. I don't tell you say I don't want wahala. Not be the one where I go finish. You go tell me say you no go pay.
Definitely if I see wetin I no like na there we go get problem. I
You no go pay wetin.
I no go pay the money
Na joke
honestly.
you dey joke.
Because the other day I just picture
See
you
wetin I
naked.
do, beautiful.
One woman I pay you money.
Beautiful.
So she don't resemble themselves like.
Yes now.
Me I resemble wetin you hold for hand.
You know see am.
How I take resemble person wey you hold for hand?
Hey. Purple makeup.
I dey like problem. I dey like problem.
I don't know why they always believe that once they apply the color purple, pink, meaning they've gotten the look.
No rub am for my neck abeg. As I sit down like this, vex dey catch me. No rub am for my neck.
No vex. This thing fine.
Now this kind of lipstick they sell.
No be the color he use. Na me I no wan shout. No be the color he use.
Na the color. Na the color wey dey there they use. Na nude lipstick.
No be this kind of nude. No be this shade of nude he use.
Na the same thing.
Abeg dey careful. Oh, this gun no dey peppery so. Because I no dey joke with my eye.
I don't finish the makeup. Wow.
Which makeup?
This makeup now.
Where my phone wey I give you?
Your phone.
May ma see ma compare with wetin you do for my face.
See am.
No break my phone. Oh. How you go take compare this makeup with wetin I show
Na
you?
the same
The
thing
makeup no just
I know they
rhyme.
pay.
You know just rhyme.
To be
No.
honest, I know because
No
I no go
pay
pay.
wetin.
I no go pay the money. Because
This
I no
time
go
I
pay
no
for
go
this.
deal with you. Now my girls go deal with you.
I no understand say na your girls go deal with me. Na your girls do me
Ẹ̀yin
makeup.
ọmọ ibo lẹwà ẹ bọ́ta.
Ẹ bọ́ta kí wọ́n bọ́ta bíi ti bó o. Na dem do me
Ẹ wá
makeup.
bá mi náà wèrè sí lára.
Who be were? Me I no be were o. I no dey create. I don tell you. That why una dey
If
stand
you
up
no
una dey
create,
come
why
na
you
wan
dey
beat
talk
me.
like that?
I no
Say
understand. You dey
no
tell me
go
say I
pay
be were. How I take be were? You do me stupid makeup. You dey expect
Ẹ
me
wá
I
bá
pay you
mi
money.
do
How?
pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
How? No pay. You do me better makeup. No way you say I no pay. Which kind problem be that?
Why you no go pay?
Why I no go pay? Which house now? Which person I dey talk with?
I go kill am.
You go kill wetin?
I go kill am.
Who you wan kill?
You dey craze?
No bother over.
Shey you dey craze?
See, may I tell you, I mad pass you. If you think say you no get respect, but I swear to God I craze pass. No be say I dey fear you. When you get mad, they talk. Which stupid money I go pay you? Dey craze. Who dey play with you? Not try nonsense with me. Not I craze pass. No be say I'm not shit on myself. Now you do me makeup. Now you do me makeup. Now I talk to your mother. Now your mother do me makeup. Now you do me makeup. You dey not dey shout for me. Not dey shout for me. I dey fear you. Not dey shout for me. You want me makeup? I swear to God, if you clean this makeup, I no go pay. I swear to God, if you clean this makeup, I no go pay. This is how they fear you, ne? This is how they fear you. Not get selfish with myself, so not get selfish with my face. Why you won't clean am? Clean this stupid makeup. Not spoil my face, so not spoil my face. I don't tell you that because I know they fear you. Now clean am. Clean the stupid makeup. Why you do? Give me. Which stupid money? You go clean my makeup.
Okay, you waste our money. You waste our money.
Ma, stand up, see.
You go pay our money. You don't know anything. See, I know they are right. I don't feel that for bedroom.
I hate you.
I don't pay your money. I don't fall that for bedroom. I don't dare like fall. Say the way I don't fall for bedroom.
I'm mad. Guys, this woman, she has crazy apprentice. Hey, I don't know if they are her bodyguard though. They are just waiting for drama so that they will just fight. Because I don't understand when she said, and they came, they wanted to wipe my face. They mean they wipe my makeup and I'll still pay the one that will make me pay that money, to be honest. Because me, if there's anything I want, is that drama. They wanted to wipe the makeup by all means. Like, I don't understand. You all should please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to GTBank's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my own YouTube channel. Hit on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and don't forget to show your girl some love. Please share this video. Let it go viral. Guys, we love you guys. See your favorite girl, Mary J. Black. I'm Mix Muhammad in the building. Very soon.